9 ways to make money by clicking on ads. Did you know you can actually earn money from clicking on ads on websites? It may not make you a fortune, but you can make some extra cash by doing it. Paid to click sites are sites where you join and are paid to view ads. They are completely free to join and have a track record of being a successful way to make some income. You have to be careful though, because some are scam websites out there that will have you do all the work but will not pay you anything. There are plenty of proven sites though, and these will be the ones that we'll be telling you about. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we post new videos on how to make money and give yourself a better life. These sites are completely free to join, and as we've said, have a track record of being a successful way to make an income online. So here are 9 ways to get paid by clicking on ads. Inbox Dollar. Inbox Dollar sends ads straight to your email and pays you to read them. They are emails about specific offers from different vendors. And some of the big names, Home Chef, Vistaprint, JustFab and Hula Plus are just few of the companies that use Inbox Dollar to advertise their offer. It only takes a few minutes, and who knows, maybe you'll consider using one of the products or deals yourself. You get paid via PayPal and it's very easy to sign up. Bucks Inc. Bucks Inc. has over 100,000 members who get paid to click on ads. To see all the ads viewable on a specific day, you click on the View Ad tabs. That brings up tons of advertisements available to make money from. BucksInc.com is a get paid to program that pays you cash for simply clicking on links. The way it works is very simple. Each day when you log into your account, you'll be presented with some advertising links. You click each link and view the advertisement websites for about 30 seconds, and then after you click the confirmation button, your account will be credited with $5. Once you have reached the minimum payout, you can request your earnings and receive a payment. You mostly earn $5 for every click you make. However, the daily request for payment is very high. It's completely free to join though and earn cash, and it only takes a few minutes to get started. Iwage. Iwage was founded in 2009. Users can make money by doing simple tasks like viewing ads and taking surveys. Their goal is to always be looking for ways for members to make money by surfing the internet. It also pays you to surf websites from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have a computer with a connection, you are able to earn money with this site. No additional knowledge or experience is required, and you can make money for something that you already do. There is no long procedure or process required. They make it easy. With just a few clicks, you'll be getting the money as soon as you start earning. NeoBucks. The amount of money users can earn on NeoBucks varies by the types of memberships they have. The type and the quality of advertisement is also a factor as well. NeoBucks doesn't have any daily limits or limits on how much you can earn. The minimum amount paid is $2 on your first cash out. There can only be one user per day on a single internet connection in a 24-hour period, making money by clicking on the ads. There are other things to do on the site, but only one per day can make money on NeoBucks. By clicking on advertisements, the preferred method of payments are Skill, NetTeller and AirTM. Swagbucks. Swagbucks has a few different ways to make money, but one of the easiest is by clicking on video ads. The videos are normally around a minute long. Even though there are coupons available to use, surveys to take or different games to play, watching ads is the most fun. Likewise, videos come in several categories such as sport, fashion, health, food, travel, to name just a few. Each playlist category provides 15 to 30 videos with the exact amount of money you can earn. In addition to Swagbags app to make money watching ads, the company also offers to download Swag Button. This tool will help you find the best deals and never miss a cashback opportunity. Finally, when you decide to redeem your points, you can opt for PayPal cash or gift cards. GetPaid. GetPaid has been providing users with an extra income since 2005. You earn coins by completing tasks like completing surveys, clicking ads, competing in sweepstakes and winning different contests. Simply cash out directly to your PayPal account and you will be paid between 1 and 3 days. You can get paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, Amazon gift cards and more. Registering is quick and free, plus you'll get a bonus coin and XP as soon as you've joined. Earn and win coins by completing online surveys and tasks, playing games, watching videos, and much more. ScarletClicks. The minimum to cash out with ScarletClicks is just $2. You will earn up to 1 cent per click with this site. Payments are made via NetTeller, AirTM, Skill, Payer, Solid TrustPay, and others. ScarletClicks have paid out nearly $2 million to their 77,000 members. Although not the highest payout, as we said, you click on an ad and get paid 1 cent each, you also get 100% referral earnings, and the minimum cash out is just $2. Views and Cash. Views and Cash is another site that the money-making opportunity isn't from just clicking on ads. You can also complete surveys, download apps, and more. You receive a $5 sign-up bonus just for signing on with them. One bad thing though is maybe you cannot cash out until you've reached a minimum of $25. Fusion Cash has a nice setup for the referral system. For every person you ask to join, you earn $1, another $2 when they finish their first offer, and $5 when they make their first cash out of their earnings. Payout options are PayPal and gift cards. Atiklix. This site allows advertisers to reach thousands of potential customers. It pays users 4 cents per click and up to 4 cents per referral click. You will be able to click new ads every day. They reset at midnight, but be careful trying to make multiple accounts with this site. If they find out that the same user has multiple accounts trying to make the most money possible, they will shut down all of your accounts. It also has a referral program. Getting paid to click on ads is the easiest way to make money during your spare time. You'll be surprised at how your earnings can stack up. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.